Hi, welcome to another edition of Scarlet Bakes. Today we are making Sprinkles' famous vanilla cupcakes. 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2/3 cup milk, 1.5 teaspoons vanilla, 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg and 2 egg whites. Mix the dry ingredients together. Beat the butter and sugar on high speed. I had to cover my ears, it was so loud. Add the eggs and the vanilla and beat for 20 seconds. Scrape the bowl down, add in half the flour and then all the milk and then half of the flour. Make sure your muffin tin is filled with cupcake wrappers and divide the batter into 12 cupcakes. We have powdered sugar, milk, vanilla, pink food coloring, 2 sticks of butter. Beat all the ingredients together. Now put in any food coloring if you want. It is so pink! I love it! Now put your frosting in a piping bag. This is the part where we frost the cupcakes, but it got deleted on accident. Sorry. You should make this recipe. Bye. See you in the next Scarlet Bakes edition.